Hi everyone, my name is Paul Sanderson. I'm the founder of App Analytics, and today I'm going to take you through the process of setting up an application to track back into App Analytics and to show you how easy it is. So the first things first is I'll just show you the application that we'll be tracking today. It's X5, which is simply here, and I've already downloaded the App Analytics SWIC library and included it into a libraries folder. And I'll show you the application. It's very simple. Just with a button in it basically. And what we want to do today is we want to track how many times this application has been installed and how many times this button has been clicked, which we can do all with App Analytics. So first thing we'll do is log into App Analytics. If you haven't already registered, you'll need to do this before you can, of course, log in. That only takes a matter of minutes itself. So we're going to log in. So we're presented with the account screen. Currently we don't have any accounts in this application, so we're going to create a new account for this one, and I think we're going to call it Acme Corporation because that's my company that we currently have. Now with the screen we can keep on creating accounts, more accounts as you kind of go down. So if you've got different clients or something that you want to have different accounts for, you can do that. But we've created our account successfully, so we're going to go to the accounts overview and go inside Acme Corporation that we've just created. Now in here we need an application to track against, our X5 application that we've just got, so we're going to create a new application in here and we're going to call it X5. Create new application. So as you can see, we've created a new account and now we've created a new application. So we've basically got all the information that we need. If we go inside the X5 application, we're able to see that currently nothing has been tracked because we haven't tracked anything. So it's just a blank slate. So we head over to our Flex application. The first thing we're going to need to do is we're going to need to start up App Analytics. This can be started anywhere, and once it's been started, it can be used anywhere. The tracking app system can be used anywhere in the application. So I'm just going to go App Analytics.start, and it's asking us for an API key and an app ID. The API key is up here. This is related to your account, so we're just going to copy that, prepend it with API so you can tell exactly what you're doing. Copy that, paste that in there. The next thing we need is app ID, which is in our applications. So here's the application ID unique to this application. I'm going to go over that. And because it's test, we're going to go true so we can see all the outputs from App Analytics. So that started the application. The first time through, it's going to throw out a whole lot of traces as it does its first initial setup. So the next thing we want to do is we want to track every time this button's clicked. So we're going to go App Analytics.track the action. So this is going to be my button, or my click button. This is generally a descriptive action, so this would be home button or something else along those lines. So you can easily track down what it is later in your application. And the type that we're going to use for this time is it's going to be an App Analytics type .click. So there we go. If I run this application, we should track the application and we should be able to track the clicks. So there it goes through. You can see it's traced a whole lot of things. It's tracking. It's got a new install. And if we click this button, it says track complete. So if I flick back to my App Analytics now, and I click on my X5 application, we can see we've had one install, one unique application, and 3 items tracked. So if we go to content, we can see that button click was clicked 3 times. Thank you very much for your time.